ladies and gentlemen, the legendary Miss Lena Horne.
There's no sun up in the sky, stormy weather.
The story had the elements that I felt were very important for a musical. It was a beautiful love story, and it's so entertaining.
Life without care, I'm broke, it's over.
When we find Lena, it's that moment she stopped in her life. The terrible loss Lena suffers when her son, her father, and her husband all die within 17 months renders her unable to perform. And we share the journey of her struggle to face her regrets and her mistakes.
And the friends, I just let them all slip away.
She does not want to have to go through the pain of reckoning with what happened to her. And only by reliving her life can she find the courage to go on.
I did. All my mistakes. Mine. All mine. They've been beautiful costumes. Oh God, the bastard did it to me again.
Mama, he was never gonna give it to you. Even if he wanted to.
Oh, God damn them all. Every last one of them.
Lena had to fight harder. Not only was she a woman, she was a black woman. And here was this black woman who struggled to make it and did.
It's heady. It's spectacular. And I'm in it. And I feel so powerful. Oh, I remember. So powerful. And I don't care who knows it.
The remarkable thing that Charlene has done is she's taken this incredible body of music that was Lena Horne. She's infused it into the drama so that the songs also tell the story.
I love the theater, but never come late. I never bother with people I hate. That's why the lady is a tramp.
I was very careful when I chose the songs for this piece. I placed them in the story so that they made sense in every moment.
I'll forget you.
You better not.
I will.
From this lucky day.
I thought it was an incredibly good idea, and Leslie Uggams as Lena Horne was a sensational idea.
Like nobody's lonely come rain.
To get an opportunity to play her is quite an honor. I think it's a love letter to her, really. This is such a people show. I'm fascinated every night to see what the reaction is going to be. And people just, they love it. They just love it. They walk out talking about how fabulous the show is.
I don't think we've had a show which has had such an incredible audience response. Standing ovations at every single performance, full houses.
It was just one of those things.
We have the most incredible band. The set is gorgeous, the lighting is gorgeous, and of course we have gorgeous costumes.
Just one of those things.
You feel these struggles, you feel the joy, you understand what she went through, and at the end, you cry with her and laugh with her and cheer.